So guys, for the first method, you want to click on Control, Shift and Escape on your keyboard at the same time. Control, Shift, Escape, which will now pull up the task manager. And now once you're on this, you want to click on Run New Task. In this box, you want to type in explorer.exe and then click on OK. And you should now be seeing Windows Explorer appear on this list. You want to click on it and then click on Restart Task. Your screen is going to go black and then it's going to return like this. See if that works. For the second method, you want to go to search and type in themes and related settings. Click on it. And now once you're on this, you want to scroll down and then select your wallpaper. Just choose any wallpaper here and then see if that works. For the last method, you want to go to search and type in check for updates. Click on it. And now once you're on this, you want to click on check for updates. Make sure that your computer is fully up to date. Now you want to restart your computer. Hopefully this will fix your problem.